Hello students, in my previous video I have solved first 4 questions of the first exercise of linear inequalities. Now let us solve the remaining questions. The question is, solve the inequalities in exercise 5, question number 5 to 16 for real x, for real value of x. Means we have to write the solution set in terms of intervals. Question number 5 is 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. Let us solve this. The question is, question number 5, 4x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 7. Solution. I will write the given inequality. Now observe here, there are 2 x terms in this inequality. Now suppose if instead of inequality we have equation 4x plus 3 is equal to 5x plus 7, then we know how to solve the equation. First we collect the like terms one side, xx one side. You can take 5x to the left hand side, it will be minus 5x, or you can take 4x to the right hand side. I will take 4x to the right hand side because 5 is greater than 4. 5 minus 4 will be plus 1 plus x. So I will take this 4x to the right hand side, 7 to the left hand side. Minus 7 plus 3, 5x minus 4x. Minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. 5x minus 4x is plus x. X is equal to minus 4. In the same way, we solve this inequality also. I can transfer the terms from one side to another side in the inequality by changing the sign of the term. So here also I will take 4x to the right hand side. I will keep 3 in the LHS as it is and take 4x to the right hand side. Next 7 is taken to the left hand side. It will become minus 7 plus 3 in LHS, 5x minus 4x in RHS. Minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. 5x minus 4x is plus x. Minus 4 less than x is nothing but x is greater than minus 4. In this way we solve this inequality. Next, the solution set is, remember you have to write the solution set. The solution set is, they have given x is a real, then write all the set of all real numbers which are greater than minus 4 means we have to write the interval. Greater than minus 4 means the smallest value will be minus 4 itself. It starts from minus 4. Greater than minus 4, least will be minus 4. Starting from minus 4, it takes all the greater values up to infinity. Minus 4 is not included. Open bracket towards minus 4. Equality is not there. It is a strict inequality. Infinity will also be not included. Open bracket towards infinity. This is an open interval and it is a solution set for the given inequality. You can also solve this in another way by taking 5x to the left hand side. Another way I will solve this. 4x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 7 is given. Let us take 5x to the left hand side. 5x will become minus 5x and 3 to the right hand side. 4x minus 5x is minus x. 7 minus 3 is 4. We want positive x, but here we have a minus. To make it positive, change the sign on both sides. Minus x will become plus x, plus 4 will become minus 4. When you change the sign on both sides of inequality, the inequality sign will get reversed. Less than will become greater than, You have to remember this. Now compare this result x greater than minus 4 with this previous result. Both are equal. So this is the solution, and the solution set is, we have reduced the inequality in simplest form. Now we write the solution set. Greater than minus 4, least value is minus 4. From minus 4 all the greater value up to infinity, open interval. This is the solution set. In this way we solve the example. Now let us look at the next example. Next question is sixth one. 3x minus 7 is greater than 5x minus 1. This is also similar to the fifth one. Let us solve this. Three x minus 7 is greater than 5x minus 1. 5 is greater than 3. I will write the question first. Now I will take 3x to the right hand side and minus 1 to the left hand side. Minus 1 will become plus 1 in LHS. 1 minus 7, and 3x will become minus 3x in RHS. 1 minus 7 is minus 6. 5x minus 3x is 2x. Minus 6 greater than 2x is nothing but 2x is less than minus 6. 2x is less than minus 6. We want the value of x. Take this 2 to the RHS. 2 will come to the denominator. 2 ones are 2, minus 3s are, then x is less than minus 3. X is less than minus 3. The solution set is all the real numbers which are less than minus 3. Less than minus 3 means minus 3 itself is the greatest value. The greatest is written in the second place of the interval. And less than minus 3 means it starts from minus infinity, because minus infinity is the least value. From minus infinity up to minus 3. Equality is not there, so minus 3 is not included, open bracket towards minus 3. Next question is 3 into x minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3. Question number 7. 3 into x minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3. Let us solve this. First I will write the given inequality. Now multiply 3 to both of these numbers. The method to solve the inequality is same as how we solve the equation. But just you have to be very careful in the signs of the inequality based on the rule. Multiply 3 to x, we get 3x. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Less than or equal to as it is. Similarly multiply 2 to both of the term. 2 into x is 2x. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Now we have 2x terms. Take this 2x to the left hand side. It will be minus 2x. And take minus 3 to the right hand side. Plus 3. 3x minus 2x is x. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. X is less than or equal to minus 3. The solution set is all the real numbers which are less than or equal to minus 3. From equal to minus 3, all the values are less than minus 3 means minus 3 itself is the greatest value. All other are less than minus 3. Minus 3 ne greatest andre adu greatest value place ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಅದರ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ -3 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಆಲ್ ದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ -infinity. -infinity means open towards -infinity. Equality sign is there. -3 is also included, means square bracket towards -3. This is the solution set. Now the next example is 3 into 2 minus x is greater than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x. This question is similar to the question number 7. Let us solve this. 3 into 2 minus x, 8th one, is greater than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x. First I'll write the question. Next multiply 3 to both of these terms. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into minus x is minus 3x. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into minus x is minus 2x. 2 x terms are there. Transfer one of the term to collect the like terms one side. -3 ನ RHSಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ +3 ಆಯಿತು. 3 is greater than 2. ನಮಗೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ -3x ಟು ದ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 2 ಟು ದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. 6 minus 2 is greater than or equal to -2x plus 3x. 6 minus 2 is 4, plus 3x minus 2x is plus 6. 4 greater than or equal to 4 greater than or equal to x is nothing but x is less than or equal to 4. Both are same. X is less than or equal to 4. 4 is greater than or equal to x. Both are same. Now the solution set is all the real numbers less than or equal to 4. Less than 4 or equal to 4 means 4 itself is the greatest value. All other values are less than 4. Less than means it starts from -infinity. 4 is included. Equality is there. Closed bracket towards 4. This is the solution. Now the next question is 9th one. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11. I'll write the question here. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3 is less than 11. I'll write the question. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3 is less than 11. ಇದನ್ನು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ? LCM ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ LCM ತಗೊಂಡೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ದ LCM ಹಿಯರ್. LCM of 2, 3 and 1 is 6. Then we multiply 6 to the first term. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 into x is 6x. 3 into x is 3x. 2 into x is 2x less than 11. In the numerator, 6x, 3x, 2x are like terms. Add them. 6x, 3x plus 2x. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11x divided by 6 is less than 11. Next, we take this denominator 6 to the right hand side. Denominator ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ. 11x is less than 11 into 6 we got. Further, you can multiply this as 66 or you can keep it as it is. 11 ಇನ್ನೂ RHSಗೆ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. 11 RHSಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ we get x less than 11 into 6 divided by 11. Here 11 is a positive. So inequality sign remains same. Similarly 6 is positive. Inequality remains same. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 11 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ x is less than 6. Now the solution set is x less than 6 is in simplest form. We can write the solution set for this. The solution set is set of all real numbers which are less than 6. Less than 6 andre 6 itself is the greatest value. Greatest is written at the end in the solution set. Less than 6 means all the numbers less than 6 starts from minus infinity. From minus infinity up to 6, equality is not there. Open interval towards 6. This is the solution. The next question is 10th one. X by 3 is greater than x by 2 plus 1. I will write it here. 10th one. X by 3 is greater than x by 2 plus 1. Again here, this example is similar to the previous one. We have to take the LCM by collecting the like terms one side. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ಆದರೂ ತೊಗೋರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ, ಆದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರಷ್ಟೇ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ವೇ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್. ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 is the LCM. X as it is, multiply 2 to the second term. Now we get x by 3 is greater than x plus 2 by 2. We can cross multiply. ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೋ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಮತ್ತು 2 ಎರಡೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸೈನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 2 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ 2 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. 3 ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ 3 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಆಯಿತು. 2x is greater than 3x plus 6. 3 is greater than 2. I will take 2x to the right hand side and 6 to the left hand side. Plus 6 will become minus 6. Plus 2x will become minus 2x. Minus 6 is greater than 3x minus 2x is x. Minus 6 is greater than x is nothing but x is less than minus 6. Both are equal. Therefore, the solution set is all real numbers which are less than minus 6. Less than minus 6 means minus 6 itself is the greatest value, written at the second place. Less than 6 starts from minus infinity. Minus 6 is not included. Open interval towards minus 6. This is the solution for the 10th example. Suppose if we have a negative sign in the denominators of both sides of this inequality, then we have to take care of the inequality sign while cross multiplying this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ದಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮೈನಸ್ 2. ಎರಡೂ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಎರಡೂ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If you cancel minus sign, then we get x by 3 less than x plus 2 by 2. You have to reduce in this way. Or if you have to, instead of cancelling the minus sign, if you have to cross multiply madidre, then better go step by step. First take this minus 2 to the left hand side. It will come to the numerator. Minus 2 divided by minus 3. You are taking minus 2 to the numerator, which is, or you are multiplying minus 2, therefore greater than will become less than. minus 2 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಯಿತು, x plus 2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ minus minus, we get 2x by 3 is less than x plus 2. Take 3 to the right hand side. 3 is a positive, sign of the inequality remains the same. 2x is less than 3 into x plus 2 ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 2x ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 3 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2ನೇ ಆಯಿತು. ನೀವು ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಥರನಾದರೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. otherwise there may be chance of getting a wrong result. Or if I have negative number in only one side of this inequality, then suppose if I have x by minus 3 greater than x plus 2 by 2, one side ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. If you take 2 to the left hand side, 2 is a positive number, the inequality sign will not be affected. Then take minus 3 to the RHS. Minus 3 is a negative number. As you are multiplying minus 3 to the RHS, the inequality sign get reversed. Minus 3 na multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ inequality sign reverse ಆಯಿತು. In this way we have to solve this example. In my next video, I will solve the remaining examples of this exercise.